Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can change name in Ome TV. So first up, as you can see, I just opened my Ome TV on incognito, as you can see right here. So if we're going to open and click on the options like on the settings, we don't have any options to basically change your name. So in order to change your name on Ome TV, the only options that we can do is by creating another account on FB or Facebook or on your VK account. So for example, if you're going to log in, as you can see, you can use your FB account or VK account. So if you want to change your name on Ome TV, you need to change your name on Facebook or VK account. Or you can create another FB or VK account to be able to change your Ome TV name. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.